Hi all, good evening. Welcome to another one session of Chemflix, and today we're going to discuss about some of the assertion and reason based questions from the chapter Chemical Reactions and Equation. It is very useful for the term 1 examination. Clear? Okay, so hope you all are doing good and studying hard. You know our exam is approaching, and so without wasting much time, we are directly moving to the first question. Shall we move? Yeah, of course. So the first question is assertion. These are two assertion and reason type question. Let me introduce these questions to you. You already know that assertion and reason are two statements. And if assertion is a simple statement and reason is the why it is like that. Okay, it is the reason. So these are two statements. Basically, these are two statements. And the options are both assertion and reason are true. And reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Assertion is true, but the reason is false. Both assertion and reason are false. So see, these are the type of options you can expect from these type of questions. So here coming to our first question, here the assertion is changing of color of copper from reddish brown to black is an example of reduction. So this is a question based on okay, the statement, you know, from the statement itself, you know, it is related to the reduction oxidation. Okay, this is the last portion of this first chapter. So reduction, what do you mean by reduction? What do you mean by oxidation? That all things you know, I think. So oxidation means, what is oxidation? Oxygen addition, oxygen addition, or hydrogen removal. Okay, hydrogen removal or oxygen addition can be called as reduction. So here in the assertion, changing of color of copper from reddish brown to black is an example of reduction, and the reason the statement given is hydrogen is removed. So here reduction means, you know what is reduction? Addition of hydrogen. But here the reason given is hydrogen is removed. So of course the reason is wrong. So here the answer is, and one more thing. Changing of color of copper from reddish brown to black. When will the copper, reddish color, you know the copper, the color of the copper is reddish brown, and when will it changes to black? You know the equation Cu plus O2 gives Cu2O, right? Cu plus O2 gives Cu2, Cu2O, right? So here addition of oxygen happens, that means oxidation. So the first statement and the second statement is wrong, that is both assertion and reason are false. That will be the right answer. Clear? Yeah, right. So the option D, both assertion and reason are false, is the right answer. So that is, what do you mean by oxidation? You have an idea about oxidation. What do you mean by reduction? Then you will easily know how to answer these questions. Clear? Now we move to the second question. Second question, the assertion is when iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution. So what we are going to do now, or what is the statement here? Read word by word. Okay. When iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution, the iron nail becomes brownish in color and the blue color of the copper solution fade. Okay, some of them might be done this in your chemistry lab. Of course, some of my students also know that I just demonstrated this experiment to them. That is, when iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate, what happens? Iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution. What happens? The iron nail becomes brownish in color, and the blue color of the copper solution fades. So the assertion is true. Clear? Assertion is true. Now, moving to the second statement, that is reason, equation representing this change is Cu plus FeSO4 gives CuSO4 plus Fe. So what this statement, what is the assertional statement when iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate? So that means Fe plus CuSO4 will be in the reactant side, both iron nail and copper sulfate. So here it is copper and iron sulfate. So the equation is wrong. So the reason is wrong. So what will be your option? The option is assertion is true, but the reason is false. What is the exact reason? What is the correct reason? Fe plus CuSO4 gives Fe plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu. Okay, hope you all understand. Now we are moving to the third question. The first statement, that is assertion, is silver chloride turns grey in sunlight. That is also, you have an activity in your textbook. Very well, you are keeping silver chloride in atmosphere in room temperature, or exposed to sunlight. What happens? It turns grey in sunlight. Right. Assertion is right. Now the reason is silver is one of the least reactive metals. So that also, you know that reactivity series. What is the reactivity series? Starts from potassium, right? Potassium, PSBC, mesentyl chap, right? So PSBC, if you don't know this code, you can please watch this in my YouTube channel. You can see somewhere over there how to study the reactivity series by using tricks and tips. Okay, so please go and refer that. PSBC mesentyl chap. That means chap is lowest of the series. That means copper, mercury, argentum, Au. That means argentum means silver, Au means copper. Sorry, argentum means silver, Au means gold. So these are lowest of the series. That means they are least reactive matter. So both the statements are correct. But a reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So here the answer is both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Clear? Okay, now we are moving to the next question, shall we? Okay. So the next question is, the statement assertion is when water is added to calcium oxide, a large amount of heat is produced. Reason, it is an endothermic reaction. So what do you mean by endothermic reaction? What do you mean by exothermic reaction? Exo means expelling, right? Oh, okay. So what is exothermic means? Heat is produced or heat is liberated. Endothermic means heat is absorbed. So here, when water is added to calcium oxide, a large amount of heat is produced. Right or wrong? Right. Reason, it is an endothermic reaction. False. If a large amount of heat is liberated, means it is an exothermic reaction. So the option will be assertion is true, but the reason is false. Clear? Moving to the next question. Assertion, a chemical equation should be balanced. So we all know this chapter is basically based on, starts from the balancing of chemical equation. You know why a chemical equation should be balanced. So you all know, in order to conserve the law of conservation of mass. Right. So the reason it is given that number of atoms of each element should be same on reactant as well as product side. That is the reason. A chemical equation should be balanced. Why? What is the need for the equation to be balanced? You can see somewhere over there. I just posted the video in the YouTube itself. You can see in my channel why a chemical equation should be balanced. So here the assertion is true, but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. So the option B will be the right answer. Clear? Okay, now we are moving to the next question. Chemical equation can be made more informative. Assertion is chemical equation can be made more informative. That also we discussed in the chapter. Reason, we can write physical state of reactants and products, temperature and pressure, name of catalyst used, etc. These all are we can include it in the chemical equation in order to make the chemical equation more informative. So both these statements are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So the answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Clear? Okay, moving to the next question. Decomposition. Okay, assertion is decomposition reactions are similar to combination reactions. So you must know, you have an idea about, you must have an idea about what do you mean by combination reaction, what do you mean by decomposition reaction, what do you mean by displacement. And don't need to know displacement now, but you have to study this all. So what is combination reaction? A plus B gives AB, right? If two single substance react to form a two different substances react to form a single product, right? Combination. What is decomposition? Decomposition is the exact opposite of combination reaction, right? A, B gives A plus B. So here the assertion is decomposition reactions are similar to combination reaction. Is it true or false? False. Okay, very good. So reason, both reactions need a catalyst to occur. So this is also wrong. So both the statements are wrong. So here both assertion and reason are false will be the answer. Clear? Okay, now we move to the next question. Equation. You have given an equation. Carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Clear? Carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide is an example of combination reaction. Okay, you can know that we just discussed in the previous question, that is carbon, a single substance, a substance that when react with another one substance to form a single product. It is an example for combination reaction. So the statement 1, that is assertion, is true. Now the statement 2, that is reason. In the given above equation, carbon and oxygen react to give carbon dioxide. Yeah, very good. So the answer will be both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Clear? Okay. Moving. Assertion. Corrosion of iron is a serious problem. So as we all know that in our day-to-day life, corrosion of iron, it poses a serious problem. It is a serious problem. We have to change every year. We have to change the water pipe, and okay, you know that corrosion of iron is a serious problem. Now reasoning, every year an enormous amount of money is spent to replace damaged iron. Okay, of course that statement is also true. We have to spend much more amount money to replace damaged iron. So both these statements are true, and it is all because of the corrosion of iron. So assertion, reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So option A will be the right answer. Now, next question is, you can see the assertion, chips manufacturers usually flush bags of chips with oxygen gas. Please think if it is oxygen gas or nitrogen gas. What it is exactly, we are using it in the Kurkure packet or Lace packet. It is nitrogen gas, right? So this statement is wrong. And the reason they given it as, it adds taste to chips. So whether it is oxygen gas, taste to chips, any relation? No relation. So both assertion and reason are false are the D. Option D is the right answer. Now the next question is statement assertion. Photosynthesis is considered as an endothermic reaction. Okay, photosynthesis is considered as an endothermic reaction, which means we are giving, in order to happen this reaction, we are providing energy. We are providing, that means endothermic, heat is absorbing, right? Reason, energy gets released in the process of photosynthesis. Energy is released out. So the option is, correct option is, assertion is true. You know, photosynthesis is considered as an endothermic reaction. That means we are supplying sunlight. Okay, what is photosynthesis actually? Food production, right? Food production when in the presence of sunlight, right? So here it is an endothermic reaction, and reason, energy gets released in the process of photosynthesis. It is actually food production, right? So here assertion is true, but the reason is false. Okay, so thank you all guys. That's all for today, and you hope you understand all those questions that we discussed today. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Also share among your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in another one video.